My name's Graham Lawton, Managing Director of Ribquest. We're here at the Ribquest factory in the engineering workshops, looking at the new Team Ineos chase boats being built ready for the America's Cup Challenge. We're currently building 2 boats for Team Ineos. Generally speaking, we'll have 10 to 12 boats in build in various stages at any one time.
My name's Jake Bishop. I'm the Support Fleet Manager here at Ineos Team UK, and currently we're down at Ribquest having a look and see how these ribs are coming on.
A boat generally takes 12 weeks to build. Some of the bespoke builds take longer. We sometimes have up to a team of 12 people working on a boat, but it does depend upon the stage of the build. At times there may only be 2 people, and again, always near completion, there's always a larger team working towards deadlines.
So this is the first support boat for the race boat. It's going to get used for any close quarter manoeuvres coming in and out the harbour, and also for any on the water emergencies. So if we have a capsize, this boat will be the first response to zoom in and sort that out.
Ribquest has always been about pushing the boundaries of technology that's brought forward in the marine industry, in our sector of the marine industry. It's very important to Ribquest in that we've been chosen by Team Ineos to bring that technology to create a boat with technical specifications, with Honda's help, able to achieve something that's not been done before. Quite used to building very technical hulls with new technology, of which we quite often fit larger engines. The Honda product, with some of the features, some of the eco power modes, some of the VTEC technology, with the right design and the right setup, we believe we're going to be able to achieve those same speeds and that same performance, achieving greater fuel economy for less horsepower. So
for the new America's Cup boats, they're going to be reaching between 50 and 60 knots. So for these boats that we're having built down here, we should be seeing 60 plus knots, which should enable us to keep up with them on the downwinders.
The technical basis of the velocity hull is built on a stepped hull design, race technology that's actually been brought forward into the public sector, scaled to a point where we can still prove the load carrying capability and speeds achievable, stuff that's not been done before in that industry.
So we've chosen to partner with Honda for our engine package just because they managed to step forward and offer a level of support that's unmatched by all the other brands. And we're really excited about working with them.
We've worked with Honda before on a number of projects. Honda, great company, very, very reliable product, proven product, and a great company to work with.
Another reason why we've gone with Honda is we need to be on the water operationally with these boats from now right the way through till kind of March 2021 when the Cup ends. So we're quite happy that we can be reliable enough to do that.
The Honda product carries a number of special features. The VTEC technology, the eco mode. The Ineos chase boats will carry 700 litres of fuel. We calculate with Honda that will give us a 700-mile range, something that's achievable with those special features of the Honda product, something where you'd normally find larger engines needed to power such a fast vessel, and we believe we can achieve that with the Honda product because of these special features.
With the Honda package that we've got here, with the triple 250s, they actually come with an eco mode on them. So when we're kind of mid-range on the revs, it actually backs off itself with the computer on the ECU, and that then burns less fuel. And then also when we need to be keeping up with the race boat on a windy day, we can also use the VTEC, which is going to enable us to keep up.
The project's been a great challenge for us and also for Honda. The technical specification of the boats and the role and capabilities needed here is something that's not been achieved before. And with Honda's help, we've been able to incorporate systems such as 11 kilowatt jet motors into the boat, integrated into the Honda systems, and huge electronic capabilities that's on board the boat. Something we've worked very closely with the team and with Honda to achieve.